Hello friend, welcome to JoyTech. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how you can change your region at your TikTok accounts. So if you are an Android user or iOS user, the process will be the same. But before starting our video, if you are new at my channel, please subscribe it first and press the bell icon button for upcoming videos notifications. Now let's start today's topic. Firstly, open your TikTok account. Now tap at your profile. Now tap at three horizontal lines at the top. Now tap at settings and privacy. Now page my screen, you can see bunch of different options, but you have to tap at account, the very first option. Now page my screen, you can see. Now again tap at account information. Now at the bottom you can see account region. Simply tap at here. Now page my screen, you can see all the countries. Now select your country wherever you lived. For example, I am selecting USA. As appear my screen, you can see simply tap at United States. Appears my screen, you can see like this you can easily change your region at your TikTok accounts. I hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, please like it and share it with your friends and family member. And finally, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel too and press the bell icon button for upcoming videos notifications. If you have any question related to this or other, please comment me below. Thanks for watching.